Tired of juggling endless order updates and customer messages across different platforms? Today, we're going to solve that by showing you how to connect Woocommerce with Aisensy, unlocking effortless customer communication. This will automate notifications, personalize offers, and provide direct support via WhatsApp, all in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Woocommerce dashboard, navigate to the plugins section, and click on Add New. Search for the Aisensy for Woocommerce plugin. It should appear as one of the first results. Click the Install Now button next to the Aisensy plugin. Once the installation is complete, click the Activate button. Now, in your Woocommerce dashboard, go to Woocommerce, then click on Settings. You should see a new tab labeled Aisensy. Click on it. Here, you'll need to enter your Aisensy API key and the WhatsApp number you'll be using for customer communication. You can find your API key in your Aisensy account settings. Log into your Aisensy account, navigate to the API settings or integration section, and copy your unique API key. Paste this key into the corresponding field in your Woocommerce settings. Enter your WhatsApp business number in the next field. Ensure it's the number connected to your Aisensy account. Finally, click on the Save Changes button. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Woocommerce with Aisensy. Now, order updates and other notifications will be automatically sent to your customers via WhatsApp, improving their experience and boosting repeat business. Start streamlining your e-commerce customer relations today with this simple integration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.